this day, I'm marrying my best friend.
On this day, I'm marrying my best friend.
The one who shares my life.
The one who shares my life.
My love and my dreams.
My love.
Stephen, I give you this ring.
Stephen, I give you this ring.
For the symbol of my love.
Symbol of my love.
And devotion.
And devotion.
I offer you my heart.
I offer you my heart.
My hand.
My hand.
And my love.
And my love.
I join my life with yours.
I join my life with yours.
To cherish and protect you.
To cherish and protect you.
As my husband. All that I am.
All that I am.
All that I have.
Have.
I will forever honor you as my husband.
I will forever honor you as my husband.
This is the greatest part. Stephen, make this your bride.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on.
I never thought there would be another person out there to give as much of themselves so selflessly and care so deeply for the people not only in his life, but yours as well. But I couldn't have hoped for a better person or a better match. Not only the partnership that you guys have, but the dedication to family and friends as well. You guys are just fantastic together. Stephen, thank you so much for being what my best friend needed. Thank you for not only loving her, but also all the crazy that came along with her. I wish you both the most happiness in all the world, and I don't know any two people who deserve all the love, happiness, and all the good things that life can bring you to. So raise a glass to Sarah and Stephen.